Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another exciting topic in the world of AI. So in today's video, we are going to explore one of the most recent and trending technologies that has just been introduced. That is nothing but A2A protocol, or also known as agent to agent protocol. So we will begin with a basic understanding of what the agent to agent protocol is, followed by a deep dive into how it introduces a new era of agent interoperability. Next, we will look into the design principles behind A2A and understand how it actually works under the hood. To make it more practical, we will also walk through a real-time example that demonstrate how multiple agents can communicate with each other using MCP server. If you are not familiar with MCP server or how it functions, don't worry. I have already covered that in my previous video, so feel free to check that out. Finally, we will explore how this agent-to-agent protocol can apply in a real project and why it's a game changer in building modular intelligent system. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee because this video is going to be a bit theoretical but super insightful. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of why the A2A protocol was introduced and how it can start using it in your own AI solution. So let's get started. So this is the official documentation of this agent to agent protocol. So Google just introduced this A2A protocol to enable the communication between different AI agents. In a simple term, this protocol allows one Dialogflow agent to directly communicate with another agent, enabling this interoperability between the different two agents. So you can see this is the official documentation. Google was just introduced this A2A agent, and you can see this is in diagram. So a couple of agents are communicating or connected with each other. So which clearly mentioning or defining, so the agent can communicate with each other. So just a few days back, this MCP server concept was introduced, which quickly becoming widely accepted and appreciated. The MCP protocol mainly focuses on enabling agents to communicate with REST APIs or third-party tools or large language models or LLMs by sending a structured input and receive the response. Now Google has taken things one step further with A2A protocol, which is specifically designed for agent-to-agent communications. Rather than talking to external services, this protocol allows one agent to directly call or collaborate with another agent. So according to the official documentation, this protocol introduced a new era of agent interoperability. So AI agents now have a potential to become a more productive by automatically handling recurring complex tasks with the help of another agent. So in fact, you can see if you scroll down a bit, so in fact, over 50 technology partners are already contributing to this protocol. Some of the earlier uh, adapters, there is nothing but the MongoDB, PayPal, Infosys, Cognizant, and many more, and which you can see listed in the official documentation. Those are the partners, these partners were contributing to this agent-to-agent protocol. So now we will take a very basic example to understand what this agent-to-agent protocol is. So imagine company A has developed an agent that provides weather report to users, and company B has its own agent that generates or gathers real-time weather data from the sensors or the APIs. Now, instead of duplicating efforts or relying on the external APIs, company A agents can use agent-to-agent protocol to call company B's agent and ask, hey, you can give me the latest weather data for this location. And company B's agent can respond with current weather information to company A's agent, and company A's agent can then deliver that to its end user. This creates a system where multiple agents work together and share responsibilities, all while keeping this conversation flow smooth and contextual. So if you want to summarize A2A in a simple or single line definition, so basically agent to agent or A2A protocol allows one agent to communicate with another agent, enabling intelligent, cooperative, AI system. So now let's take another example to understand this agent-to-agent protocol more deeply. So imagine we are building a multi-department virtual assistant for a large enterprise. This assistant needs to handle queries related to the different departments, for example, customer support, technical supports, and billing and payment. So instead of building one massive agent to handle all type of queries which can quickly become a complex and difficult to manage. So we follow a modular approach and create three specialized agents for each department. One is for customer support, second is for technical supports, and third one is billing and payment. So now let's understand how this A2A helps in this case. So now let's say a user interact the main assistant. In our case, that nothing but the customer support. So which handles by customer support. And that user says, I have an issue with my invoice and I think I was overcharged. Then this customer support agent detects that the intent is related to the billing department. But instead of processing itself, it triggers the agent to agent protocol to forward the conversation to the billing and payment agent. The billing agent can take over the conversation process, the user's invoice query, and provides a necessary response. Once the billing issue is resolved, the system can even return the control back to the main agent, which is customer support. So this is how this agent to agent works behind the scenes. So the benefit of this agent to agent is nothing but each team, for example, the customer support, technical supports, or the billing and payment department can manage and improve their agents independently. They can work independently. This modular design makes the system easier to scale and maintain. It reduces the risk and overlapping the intent or conflicting the logic. So this is how this agent to agent A2A protocol works in real world enterprise applications, making complex AI system smarter, more manageable, and better organized. So the next question is, how does one agent can understand the features or the capabilities of another agent? So this achieves using the concept called agent card. An agent card allows one agent, let's say agent A, to discover and understand the feature, intent, and the capabilities of another agent, for example agent B, without needing to know agent B's internal structure. So you can think of agent card as a kind of profile or capability declaration. So how does it works? For example, agent B, the remote agent, publishes or exposes its own agent card using dot well-known URL. So here is the example of this dot well-known URL. So the agent card is in JSON format, which includes details like agent ID, display name, description, and list of capabilities. The agent A can retrieve this JSON file from .well-known endpoint by reading the agent card. For example, agent A can learn what are the capabilities of agent B which he can provide, what kind of interactions it supports, whether agent B is suitable to handle this user specific request or not. This discovery mechanism makes agent to agent connections dynamic and scalable, since now agent can be added or updated independently, still be easily discovered. So in this way, this first agent can understand the capabilities of agent B using this well-known agent card. This well-known, we can expose our custom agents where all the capabilities and description are exposed, and then agent A can understand the features and capabilities of agent B. So in this way, this first agent or agent A can understand the features of the agent B, and the communication will work very smoothly. So that's all about this agent to agent protocol. So in this video we covered what is agent to agent protocol, how it works behind the scenes, then the key components it involves, how one agent can communicate with another agent, how one agent can understand the capabilities of different agent using agent card, and dot well-known discovery. So if you found this video very helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. If you have any questions or doubt, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building and have a great day.